Dear friends, welcome to this video. In today's video, I am going to provide you a very important information about the launch of DDP service for USA by India Post. Dear friends, please subscribe this channel so that you may get the auto notification of similar important video on the similar important subjects. Friends, as you know that after issuance of the executive order 14,324 signed by President Donald Trump, there were three important changes for the shipment destined to USA. The changes are: first, the de minimis value has been removed. It means earlier an exporter can send a goods of rupees $800 to USA and there was no import duty on that product. But after the issuance of the executive order 14,324, the de minimis concept is over. Now, whatever be the value of your product, if you are selling any item in USA, the import duty is, you are liable to pay import duty. The second change is that earlier, whatever be the import duty is levied by US Customs, it was payable by US citizens. It was payable by the buyer only. Now this system is over and new system has taken place. In this new system, seller or sender has to pay import duty and buyer is free from the responsibility of paying import duty. This concept is known as DDP, delivery duty paid. India Post has launched this service very first time in the history and for the country like USA. And what is the third change? The third change is that the settlement of the custom duty is done either through the airlines or through the qualified party. India Post settle the custom duty through qualified party. Dear friends, now let us understand that on which product customs duty is, import duty is applicable. Friends, any item, whatever be the value, if it is being sold to USA or any commercial sample which is being sent to USA is liable for import duty irrespective of the value. Second, if you are sending gift to your near and dear and the value of the gift is more than $100, then it attract import duty. And third, the import duty is 50% of the FOB value. Dear friends, I have posted a detailed video showing the difference between the invoice value and FOB value. So this 50% import duty is levied on the FOB, not on invoice value. Friends, this facility is only in postal because by the Executive Order 14,324, the additional duty of 50% is imposed on the item exported from India. So if something is sent via postal channel, in this case only this additional duty of 50% is payable. The item specific duty is not payable. So let's understand with an example. Suppose on a specific item there is a import duty of 10%, then if you are sending through post, the import duty is only 50%, and if you are paying through other channel, the import duty is 60%, because the basic duty is also payable if you are sending through the postal channel other than postal channel. So postal channel is very easy and also less expensive. So friends, when you are sending any communication or printing materials or donations or gift up to the value of $100, then in such case there is no import duty. Friends, whatever be the import duty, you need to pay at the time of booking. If you are using self-service portal or DNK portal for the booking of international mail, you may pay the import duty along with postage, GST and value added service at the portal only. Value added service means if registration fees, insurance charges or acknowledgement fee etc. Dear friends, this import duty is applicable, 50% import duty is applicable only on FOB value, not on the invoice value. One thing I would like to clear, that in case the US Customs examine the item physically and found that the declaration is there is a misdeclaration or under declaration, then in such scenario the additional duty levied by US Customs is need to be payable by sender, and sender has to provide a declaration of this effect. So remember that always declare correct product and always declare the correct value. And anything if you are selling in USA, don't send in the name of gift, because in such scenario there may be some penalty. So friends, I hope that you understand the DDP service for USA, which is going to be launched by India Post from 15th October 2025. It is very easy process and also less expensive. So use this DDP service, and postal channel is always very less expensive. It is economical to you, because in other channel you need to pay the basic duty plus 50% additional tariff. So friends, if you have any question about DDP service for USA, then mention in the comment section. I will clear your doubt. I hope you understand this process you understand this DDP service mechanism, operating procedure. Thanks for watching this video.